This is a tutorial about just general navigation in Canvas. If you watched the first tutorial video, you would have learned how to actually log into Canvas. Now that we're here, let's learn how to navigate Canvas. So this is your dashboard. Right here, you have your status bar. You can choose to look at different things, your calendar. We'll talk about inbox in a minute. History. Go to Commons, which is great. We'll discuss that later. Commons is a place where you can get pre-made content for your Canvas course. This will save you a lot of time and effort. So this is your courses. These are the courses you have published. These are the ones that either you're taking to further your career or that you're running, you're teaching a class with. The published courses are here. Down here, you have your unpublished courses. These are courses that you created and just have not published yet. You'll have these at the beginning of the year before you publish them. Over on this side, we have kind of like a calendar coming up in here. If you assign an assignment and it needs to be graded, it'll tell you how many of that assignment need to be graded, and you can do that with SpeedGrader. Again, we'll discuss that in another video. And recent feedback usually only applies to courses that you're taking. If you submitted an assignment and your instructor gave you feedback on it, you can find that here. The next one I'll talk about is all courses. So let's say you want to look for a course that you were either in previously or that you taught previously. If you come here, this is going to show your published courses. This is your course you're dealing with right now. Over here, you have all courses. You click on that, it's going to show you all the courses that you have ever been involved in. The star system over here. An orange star, that means that it's being shown on your dashboard. And again, you can choose what's shown on your dashboard and what's not just by clicking the orange stars on and off. The clear star is not showing on your dashboard. Over here, you have your role, teacher or student. And yes or no to whether the course is published. So yes means it is published, no means it's not published. And finally, let's talk about your inbox. This is a great communication tool for students and parents. So you could go to inbox, all courses. This is all courses, all your emails. You can choose specific courses if you just want to see emails from those courses. Over here, you can compose a new message. So if we hit compose, we got to select which course. Let's do this one. And then you just select who you want to send it to. And if you just type something in, the name will pop up if you start typing the name. You have the subject line, the body. If you want to put attachments in, you can. If you want to put an audio or video comment in, you can right there. And then, of course, down here, you can cancel or send the message. So that's general navigation of Canvas. Obviously, it gets a bit more in depth when you get into your actual course. So thanks for watching.